In Sri Lanka, the traditional art of crafting tools from coconut shell charcoal reflects a unique blend of skill, sustainability, and heritage. Artisans skillfully heat ordinary iron and forge it into essential agricultural tools and knives, using chisels and hammers to shape and refine each piece. This meticulous process not only highlights their craftsmanship but also honors generations of knowledge and a profound respect for nature. These tools serve a dual purpose. They are functional implements that support daily life and also cultural artifacts that embody the resourcefulness of Sri Lankan traditions. Through this age-old craft, artisans preserve their rich heritage, ensuring that the principles of sustainability and innovation continue to thrive for future generations.